KFC in Jamaica is often called the best in the world. Today, you'll learn how to bring that world-class crunch and flavor right to your kitchen. Watch this. To get that authentic Jamaican flavor, we have to start with the marinade. In a blender, let's mix up some garlic, green onion, some Scotch bonnet or habanero peppers, some red onion, some fresh thyme, a couple squeezes of lime juice, some fresh ginger, soy sauce, and then this spice right here, the jerk nice spice. All the spice you need to give this chicken that jerk flavor. Add a little bit of water and then give it a blend. Grab your fresh chicken and then pour that jerk marinade all over your chicken pieces. Make sure it's well submerged. Cover for at least 4 hours in the fridge or overnight if you can. For the breading, we're coming with that Dirty Bird rub. 13 herbs and spices all in one bottle. Add that to 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You can get the spice from UncleDibs.com. Add all your chicken pieces to the seasoned flour. Make sure you drip off the excess marinade. And then we're gonna go ahead and coat this in that seasoned flour and then add it to some room temperature water. Remove the chicken and let any excess water drip off before you re-coat it in the breading. That's right, double breaded. That's how we're doing it, KFC style. Make sure you press that breading in nice and tight to that chicken so that it comes out nice and coated like this. Repeat these steps for all of your chicken pieces, and then go ahead and heat up your oil to 350 degrees. Add your chicken pieces one at a time. Make sure you do not overcrowd your pan. And I tell you, you can smell that jerk flavor even while you're frying the chicken. Fry it for 15 minutes until it's golden brown, just like this. And then there you go. You got KFC Jamaica right in your kitchen. Full recipe is available on my site.
That's good, Shorty.